let's discuss meteorological templates and how authorities put something on a map covering a very large area instead of allowing other dynamic generation of the meteorological template or a meteorological template that's covering less of an area. We will look at, for example, our great friends at Melbourne Water. For your modeling requirements, Melbourne Water has created this map, and you can see here 400 to 500 millimeters Little River, 650. So these are yearly averages. So on the average year, how much water falls in this location. Then we're going to look at the 650, 750 Melbourne City meteorological template. Now, in John Connor Online, we have covered this on the map, which makes it really easy for us to just find a location, an address. So we found the address, so let's look what happens. In the north, we have the northern part of the meteorological template created by Melbourne Water, goes up to here, and this is 600 meters, about 540 meters. No, 560, no, 540, 560, 580, 600. So it goes from up about 550 meters all the way down to, all the way down to being covered by the peninsula, all around water, and obviously it covers up to 0 meters. Now, if I'm going to measure this distance again, you will see that the distance is 121 kilometers as the crow flies, right? So it says here total distance 120 kilometers. You don't see the bottom. This is more than 1 degree latitude. It's about 1.1 degrees latitude. One meteorological template goes from 550 meters above ground, surrounded by land, to level 0, surrounded by water, over 1.1 degrees latitude, and Melbourne Water tells us, yeah, no worries, mate, this is roughly the same. We're also looking at about 100 kilometer east-west. That's the westernmost part of the meteorological template, all the way up to here, and then all the way to here, right? So as you can see, a very large area. But wait, you will say, this is just your analysis, your thinking. How about some data? Well, I have data for you. This is Bomb the Builder, an app which or a web-based application which shows you where all the rainfall stations are with names, right? So we can see that there's a lot of rainfall stations all around here for Melbourne Water to choose. And if we look at Bomb the Builder, most appropriate rainfall station for various locations. So this here you have the location, and what does it say? The median is 604, and the mean is 586. Now we can see that this is significantly outside 650. It's way under 650. It's 586, 604, somewhere there, way outside 650. All right, so we have one location where the station that is the most appropriate for this location is a little bit out. All right, under 650. Let's see another station. What is this? Cambina Avenue, somewhere else. You can pause the video and look where this address is. It's covered by the yellow template. What do we have here? 782 and 763. What is this? Above 750. Melbourne Water says all these values in this yellow area are going to be between 650, 750. And, well, they're obviously under at around 600 and then above 700. What is this one? 763, 782. Mean and median. Whichever you want, it's above 750, right? What else do we have here? 758, still above 779. What else do we have here? Let's see, 765, 786 again. All right, and you have all the addresses here if you want to check my work. So as you can see, even our data shows the data from Bureau of Meteorology based on that station. You have the station names there. Back the video and pause and you'll see all the station names. And Bureau of Meteorology gives you the data. Now, what kind of crayon-eating organization has a meteorological template that covers more than 1.1 degrees latitude from the mountains or 500 up in the hills to the sea. See, Melbourne Water, these crayons, see, they're all okay. They're all working okay. They all look really good because I don't eat them. Learn not to eat your crayons, Melbourne Water. Because I cannot believe that an organization that has a meteorological template covering thousands of square kilometers in various locations does not eat crayons. I would bet my soul that maybe you eat crayons. Thank you.